You're late, Suguru. Actually, I guess you got here fast.
You're late again, as usual. Satoru.
Tell me, do you have any last words?
No matter what anyone tells you, but I never held any hatred for those in Jujutsu High School. I just couldn't wear a heartfelt smile. Return this for me, will you?
I believe this is yours.
Oh, my student ID. Thanks for finding it for me, Gojo.
It wasn't me. My best friend found it. My only friend.
Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше